what makes a side gusset bag different from a standard flat bag? The answer lies in its expandable side folds, designed to create additional space and accommodate more products when the bag is filled. But extra capacity is only part of the design. Even under puncture resistance testing, the film remains intact, demonstrating the toughness and flexibility required for everyday packaging applications. The durable film structure helps withstand stretching and repeated handling. Combined with strong seals, it also helps prevent leakage when carrying liquid contents. Its expandable design allows the bag to adapt to different product shapes, making it a practical packaging solution for fruits, vegetables, and other fresh produce. Behind every finished bag is a carefully controlled manufacturing process. From blown film extrusion and film conversion to side gusset forming, bag making, and final inspection, each stage is designed to deliver consistent quality and reliable performance. With 3 factories and a production capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large-scale packaging supply for global shipment demands. Supported by manufacturing certifications and long-term cooperation with international partners, HAPLAST continues providing practical packaging solutions for food packing and export supply chains worldwide. Contact HAPLAST for reliable food packaging solutions tailored to your business needs.